are going to talk about the Power Automate approval workflows, and we will be talking about different approval types that we have. This is something we can use for automating your business approval demands. So first step, once you're there in make.powerapps.com, go to flows from left navigation. Then you create a new flow. We'll start with an instant flow for this demo. So I'll click instant flow, cloud flow. Let's use this and create. I can put the name here as well. So I'll call it Power Automate Approval Demo. Now I'll add a new step. Well, in this option, I'll choose for approval. I'll select start and wait for an approval. So now these are different approval types here. Let's select first to approve first. And I can say business document review and approve. So I can write who is it assigned to. Let's put my name here. And maybe I can put another user with same another user with my name again. And then if you go to advanced option, you can put requester. So I am the creator of this approval flow, but the requester can be different. So but here, just for the demo, I'll just put my name. So in first to respond, these two are different users, though I have my same name. But if any of these two users approve or reject, this flow will run. But in everyone must approved, the approval needs to be unanimous. It needs to be approved from everyone. If any of one person rejects it, this flow would be considered as rejected. But for custom, if you come to custom responses, you will have everything is much more similar, but you can have your custom options. So in approve and reject, you will just get two options, approve or reject. But in custom responses, you can put your custom response like confirm, or let's say cancel. So difference between everyone must approve and wait for all responses is here, if any of the person rejects it, this will consider as rejection. But here only the responses would be considered, so it waits for everyone to respond. And wait for one response is similar to first to response, but you can put custom values here. So I'm putting confirm and cancel. Come over here and let's again business document review for approval assigned to Sumit. So I'll just put my name here for now, and I'll put myself as requester as well. And then come over here, I can put a condition. And here I'll put outcome as approve. If it's approved, I just compose and call it approve. And in case of rejection, again compose. You can put your custom actions depending on your business need. So I'll save it. So let's see, it's everyone must approve, right? But just since there is single approval, it will act as if it's first one to respond. So test manually, I'm triggering it. Continue. Done. And if you go to flow.microsoft.com, and you can see the action items that are left for approval, this being one of the items. Here, if I see in my approval list, I've been sent a request for approval, which was triggered by this flow. and I can either reject it or uh, approve it. So if I click here, I have two options: reject, approve, or reassign, and I can put a comment here. So I'll approve it and thanks. This same approval will come to your email as well, from where you can approve your request as well. So here if you see, this has been already completed, so because I completed from here, so hence it's completed from here as well. But if I go back here and do a little bit of changes, like I will use a custom one right now and put confirm and reject, sorry, confirm, reject. So now again, document to confirm is my title. I will assign it to myself, and I will not put requested this time. So here, since I have confirm and reject as values, I will confirm, and let's not put reject, let's call it cancel. So I'll put confirm, and just in these values I can put confirm, cancel, though it's not really needed to do that. They should do the work. Test it, test manually, run the flow, done. And let's see here, run it, refresh it. So document to confirm, if I click it, I have options of confirm and cancel, confirm, cancel. But if you see my mail, again you have option to confirm and cancel, and again you have option to put comments. So that's how you can use approval flow. You can use it either with default option of approval reject or with custom responses. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, please put that in the comment section. I'll love to answer them. Thank you so much.